Hello, this is Tosh Tires. I've got a Mazda 6 here on a 2010. I'm just going to show you the cabin filter location on this and how to remove and replace it. That's the part number right there. That's the cabin filter, which is for the air vents. Now to show you where it is, it's quite a simple procedure on this one. So what you do is bring the glove compartment down. On the side here, you pull this back. You got to be gentle when you pull that back, and on the inside here there's a little lug. You push the lug in, push this bit in and pull it towards you. On the inside, on the right hand side, same thing again. So this one pushed back in. So actually the whole thing comes out. Now when you do put it back on, make sure these little clips right here, they slot into this bit there. Now to do it, that's the cabin filter right in there. So what I do, I pull this out. There's only one way, so I pull it out. As you can already see, it's quite dirty, and you've got a lot of leaves around there as well. And this has got the original Mazda one on there, and the airflow of this is pointing downwards. You see right there, pointing downwards. So that's how we got to put it back in. So if I pull this out, oh, you can see that is quite dirty. Wow, that's bad. Now get it out and make sure there's no rubbish on the inside. Blow it and then get the new one in. You slot the new one in. There's only one way that would go. Slot it right in, and then the cover, you've got these two little clips here. Not two, you got four on this one. So you just got to watch out. The furthest one is the top one. So push it back in. And that's it. That's all in there now. So all you then do is you slot the glove compartment back in place as well. So make sure it clicks. You bring her up a little bit. And then you connect the rear shock, the side shock absorber in place, and then you push it in. That's it, job done. That's all you got to do on this particular model. This is the Mazda 6, so anything else you need to know, please do let me know, and we'll try helping you as much as we can. And please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the videos, and share where possible. Thank you. Goodbye.